for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, compass, security system, fog lights, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats. Come see the car for yourself.